post. So a post, you can schedule an image and then you add a text. You can schedule a video and then add a text. So let's say the text is hi there, and then you click on this to choose your image. So let's use this image. So before you even publish that post, you get a preview of how it's going to look like in a Facebook feed here. So that's it. You can add your tags too as well, just like normal post on Facebook. Your tags, let's say FYP, you can add them as well. So when you schedule and you post them, all the tags are going to appear. And then to schedule a post, you need to turn on the scheduling option. So by turning it on, you get this option. So you can schedule a post 30 days ahead. So you see we are in 30th July, but then you can schedule it up to 28th August in 2024. So let's schedule it in 14. Let's set the date to 14th August. And then the date, the time, let's leave the time like that. So now let's click on the schedule and then let's do it. So you schedule the post through Meta Business Suite, and that's it. You are done. So let's open the home page, and then let's schedule a reel and let's see how it goes. So let's add a video. Let's add this Sporty TV. Let's wait for the video to load. Let's add our text. Let's say our let's say the boy, and then just like the post, you can add your tags to your FYP something. I think that's the most common tags on Facebook, and that's it. So for the reels, you have to trim it. You have to trim it most of the time. It shouldn't be more than, I think, 90 seconds. So you have to trim it. So it was more than 90 seconds. So I was not getting the next option. So you just trim it. So now 90, yeah. I can now post it. You can add an audio here too as well. But we're not going to choose any audio here. So now when you click on share, you post it immediately. So let's schedule it. Let's click on the schedule here. So now we get the date. Let's put this one to 14th of next month, and then let's leave it like that, and then let's click on the schedule. And then you schedule the reel too. So now let's open the home page once again, and then let's do the story, and then let's call it a day. So here to upload your media, it can be a video or an image. So let's select this image once again. So yeah, this is how it's going to appear on our story. So once again, let's click on the schedule, and then let's schedule this on 14th too as well. And that's it. You can add a link, and then you can add a text too. You can edit the way the image should appear to the text, normal text. You can add a text. You can add stickers just like you do all the time, and that's it. It appears. Let's remove and the text too, just like you guys do it all the time. It should appear here. After that, you drag it to the side of the image you want the text to appear. Let's close it. You're not going to add that, and you can add a link to, maybe you're selling something. If it's a website, you can add it here. It will be appearing here just like it does always. So that's it. So let's click on the schedule. We've already set the date we want to schedule it to. So let's click on the schedule. And that's it. So on the 14th, you see we have a post scheduled, we have a reel scheduled, and then if you refresh it, our story to also appear here. So you can do it like that. Every day you put something, and the story too is here. So if you scheduled for all these days, you see different posts here. So when it's time for them to post, you don't even need to be online. They are going to do the thing for you. As simple as that. So do well to like and subscribe to our channel, and then click the notification bell icon so you never miss any updates from us. Peace.